Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your player stats on the FIFA Ultimate Team 23. But first we have to focus on these three tabs. We have to go for the club, and right now we have to go for the player stats in this place. So when you open it, as you can see, we can just sort with override, with played, games, goals, and I'm gonna make it like that. So we can find the sort button right here in this place. And as you can see, in my case, for example, that's Iñaki Williams. In 20 games, he scored 33 goals and get 9 assists. If you want to sort assists, you have to go for the assists for sure, that's very obvious, and press the same button. And right here you'll find all assists. If you want to check the highest rated player in your team, just do the same. As you can see, in my case, that's the Kylian Mbappe. And yeah, that's all for this video. It's very simple. As you can see, you can also go for the right side because in this case we got active squad, but on another tab we got the top players, so we can switch between them with R1 and left 1 button on your gamepad. And that's all for this video. That's how we can check your player stats on the FIFA Ultimate Team 23. If you find this helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.